Expats, your bank account is losing 1K yearly to inflation. What if you flipped it to 5K month passive? How? Watch every second or miss the 0 to £5K blueprint. Hook locks, you can't stop now. Tax hikes, co-pays crushing dreams. One strategy saves 10K. Guess which? Stay glued. Passive income. No extra work, just smart moves. Reveal starts now. Don't blink or lose thousands. As UK-Canada expat, this changes everything. Full video or regret forever? Why 2026? AI boom plus tax perks passive goldmine. Skip ahead and miss the shock. UK dividends tax up 5%. Canada RRSP limits? Passive fixes it. Every clip unlocks more. Compound magic. £100 to 50K in 10 years. Hooked yet? Full strategies ahead. Top 5 strategies for expats. 1 earns £2 passive alone. Watch all or fail. Intro over dive in, or let 2026 rob you blind. Strategy 1. Dividend stocks. £500 easy, but wait for the 2026 tax hack. Pick high yield like Shell or TD Bank. 4 to 6% returns. Passive forever. UK ISA protects dividends tax-free. Miss this and lose £300 a year. Canada TFSA. No withdrawal tax. Expats, this is your secret weapon. Avoid junk. Aim 5% plus yield, or watch gains vanish. Next clip reveals picks. Start with £5K, 250-year passive, compounds to 10K fast. Platforms: Hargreaves UK, Wealth Simple Canada, 5-minute setup. Diversified 10 to 20 stocks, safe for expats, no crash fears. But one stock pays 7%? Guess, next. Passive perfection, set and forget, 1K month potential. Strategy 2. Rentals, 2K month net, but 2026 hack doubles it. Buy to let in UK, 1,500 mortgage, £700 profit. Canada, Toronto suburbs yields 6%, low vacancy for expats.
This place is perfect.
And it's all ours.
Deduct expenses, UK 20% relief, Canada even more.
Start Airbnb, higher yields, less risk. Shocking stat next. 10K down, 1K passive, compounds to property empire. Find deals online, expat financing easy with good credit. True passive, managers handle all, you cash checks. Strategy 3. P2P Lending, 8% returns, but 2026 app makes it 10%. Lend via Zopa UK or Lending Club Canada, £100 min. Diversify, bad loans at 2%, net 7 and 9% passive. UK ISA, tax-free interest. Canada TFSA, same magic. Choose regulated, avoid scams, or lose all. Top apps next. £5K starts, 400 year, auto reinvest to £2K. Platforms: Funding Circle UK, GoPeer Canada, easy sign up. Compound monthly, 1K to £10 in 5 years. Hands off, app does everything, you earn sleep. Strategy 4. Affiliates 3K month, but AI twist explodes it in 2026. Remote products on blog, YouTube's, commissions. Target expats, Amazon UK Canada affiliates, easy approval. Deduct ads, net 70% profit on commissions. Build trust, low quality fails, value hooks viewers. 1K traffic month, £500 passive, scale to 3K. Start free blog, AI writes posts in 2026. SEO plus social exponential, £0 to 2K fast. Secret AI tool triple sales, next clip. True passive, links work 24/7, you relax. Strategy 5. Royalties, music stocks, 1K month passive goal. Buy music royalties on Royalty Exchange, 10% yields. Or ebooks on Amazon KDP, Expat stories sell big. UK-Canada deductions. Keep 80% expat friendly. Verified sites only. Avoid fraud or zero returns. 10K invest, 1K year forever. No management. Crowdfund royalties. Low entry £500.
Lifetime passive heirs inherit too.
Build generational wealth. Ultimate expat win. Real expat mixed strategies £3 passive in 1 year. UK ISA plus Airbnb eat 2K month tax saved. Canada TFSA plus Upwork £4 scaled fast. Stack all 5K month by year 2. Math proves it. Tip: diversify 20% each. Risk low, rewards high. Act now. Tax changes lock in April, March. Your story next. Hook till end? Grab free resources, description links.
Smash like, subscribe. More passive secrets weekly.
Comment which strategy first. Don't stop. Build now.